Hi, before we get started, please click on the subscribe button and leave a comment. We'd really appreciate it. Now let's get down to it. Many of you had the welcome to the new Microsoft Edge page, and it isn't long until you find that you need to get out of it and you can't. So this is what you do. You right click on your little icon here for the Edge and you go to Microsoft Edge and you click on it. Then it's gone, and now you can go ahead and work on your Microsoft Edge with ease. So let's look at it again. So there you go. We reopened it and you got Microsoft Edge easy. So let's go over it just one more time. What you want to do is come down here, click the icon, move to Microsoft Edge, and then that's it. That's the way you fix it.